This fiberglass is okay, but it leaves voids, which can lead to a drag.
Yeah, exactly. It's
Not as tight.
All right.
It's just
That makes
ceiling-
sense.
ceiling, outside sounds and all that stuff. It's way different.
Nice.
Way better.
So yeah, so you get multiple benefits. Then you get and probably, I mean, even if then,
Payback on your energy costs.
yeah,
also.
and then if something happens, to look at some other scenarios when, you know, maybe you have some water come in or something. I mean, a fiberglass and the craft paper is going to be pretty jacked up, but the foam might not. It won't even let anything go through
Foam is
because you got the barrier.
It's inert is the technical word.
Inert, got it.
Which means it's impervious to mold, mildew, water. If enough water came, it would be like Noah and the Ark, and the house would probably float.
Your house would float up above from the foundation before you had water in the house.
No, it would.
Not exactly, but that's fun though. That'd be